Every year, thousands of Jamaican drivers lose hours standing in sweltering, slow-moving tax office lines just to renew their motor vehicle registration. But the system has changed, and you can now skip that line completely from the comfort of your couch. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to legally renew your private motor vehicle license entirely online by following 4 logical steps. Before we click a single button, you must verify your access to an active email address. You must know the exact password to log into it right now. Do not use an old account you can no longer access. The government no longer issues physical windshield stickers. Your secure email inbox is now the only way you will receive your legal proof of compliance. Step 1 is the pre-checks. The Tax Administration Jamaica, or TAJ, portal will automatically cross-reference your personal data against national databases before it even lets you see a payment screen. First, the system queries the Traffic Ticket Management System. If you have any outstanding, unpaid traffic tickets on your record, the portal will instantly block your renewal. Second, you need to verify your motor vehicle fitness and insurance documentation. Both must be currently active in the system. You also have to watch out for the expiration trap. If you apply for a 1-year registration, but your fitness or insurance expires in 8 months, the system will automatically reject your application. Your supporting documents must outlast your requested license period. If your digital and legal records are perfectly clear, you are ready to log into the system. Step 2 takes us to the official TAJ website at jamaicatax.gov.jm. You cannot pay as a guest. Jamaican law requires you to create a registered user profile. To set up this e-services profile, click Sign Up and enter 2 specific pieces of information, your 9-digit TRN and that active email address we verified earlier. The portal will immediately send a verification message to your inbox. You have to open that external email and click the activation link inside to finalize your account setup. By completing this loop, the government's digital infrastructure successfully links your physical identity to your online tax profile. Step 3 is making the payment. Now that you are logged in, navigate through the portal, click on Pay Motor Vehicle Taxes, and select Motor Vehicle Registration Renewal. Here, the system will prompt you to manually type in your vehicle's license plate number and chassis number, which is also known as your VIN. Pay close attention to your keystrokes here. If you mix up the letter O with the number 0 or the letter I with the number 1, the database will not recognize your vehicle, and you will be locked out of the renewal process entirely. Next, choose your renewal duration. You can select 6 months, 1 year, or a newly introduced 24-month period, which allows you to renew for 2 full years at once. Once you select your time frame, the TAJ portal dynamically calculates your exact renewal fee. You do not need to manually calculate or enter any pricing. The system achieves this by pulling your vehicle's engine size directly from the national database. A small car under 1,199 cc will automatically generate a fee of 9,240 Jamaican dollars, while large engines over 4,000 cc will ring up at $43,650. Review your final total, proceed to checkout, and complete the transaction using a valid Visa or MasterCard. If you type your plate and chassis numbers correctly, this entire payment process takes about 5 minutes. Step 4 is retrieving your documents. Paying TAJ is only the first half of the transaction. You will not get a printable certificate directly from their website. Instead, open your email inbox and locate your payment receipt. Inside that receipt email is a specialized link. Clicking it migrates you away from TAJ to a secondary, dedicated government site, the Certificate Generation and Delivery Service, or CGDS. Follow the prompts on the CGDS screen to request your updated papers. The system will instantly generate your electronic motor vehicle registration certificate, sending it to your email as a downloadable PDF. The TAJ processes your money, but the CGDS portal is what actually provisions your legal proof of vehicle registration. At this point, the bureaucratic task is complete. Your vehicle is officially and legally registered within the national database. To ensure you always have access to your documents, download the emailed PDF certificate and save it directly to your smartphone's local files. Finally, print a physical copy of this PDF and place it securely in your car's glove box. If you are stopped by the police, they will verify your electronic registration status against this printed document. Pairing digital convenience with physical preparedness means you never have to stand in a tax office line again. If this step-by-step guide helped you, Click the like button, leave any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more efficient tutorials. Safe driving!